Innovative College of Professional Studies Private Limited is offering UKQ Rigger Level 3. This level of training rounds out the technical knowledge for the person who must ensure that all aspects of the rigging job are properly assessed and that safety is assured. 3 days of in-depth technical training followed by 2 days of hands-on exercises and practical exams to reinforce the skills learned. Introduction. International Health and Safety Passport. LOLR, PURE, Standards. Roles and responsibilities of lifting personnel. Lifting accessories, safe use, inspection, and discard criteria. Lifting appliance, safe use, inspection, and discard criteria. Load, weight calculation, COG, lifting points etc. Wire rope inspection. Appointed person rigging. Cranes. Crane selection. Crane operation. Method of slinging. Subsea lifting operation. Winch and pulling operation. Rigging loft management. CCUs. Man riding operation. Overhead gantry cranes. Lifting plan. Drawing. Theory assessment. Telecommunication. Construction. Electrical. Mechanical. Heavy machine. The aim and objectives are to establish that the candidate has the required underpinning knowledge, understanding and practical skills to fulfill the role of rigger safely and effectively. United Kingdom Qualifications, UKQ Limited will work to become the awarding body of choice for all education and especially in occupational health and safety at all levels. To promote education in every field of life and to support professional education, training, and strong employment skills. United Kingdom Qualifications, UKQ Limited values guide our actions through our work. Performance. We strive to succeed in all our endeavors and deliver excellence through education. Partnership. We work in collaboration to be innovative and find solutions to shared issues. Be open and honest at all times. Professionalism. We remain objective and professional at all times, acting with integrity in an ethical way, treating everyone with respect. Passion. We are passionate in all endeavors, working and communicating for the benefit of our stakeholders. The qualification is designed to be flexible in its delivery to accommodate part-time and distance learning. The qualification is delivered face-to-face, through lectures, tutorials, seminars, distance, online by approved centers only. All units within this qualification are internally assessed by the center and externally verified by UKQ. The qualifications are criterion referenced, based on the achievement of all the specified learning outcomes. Learners must complete all units and pass the appropriate mark to receive the full diploma award. UKQ will issue certificates to all successful students through the registered centers. It is based on the average percentage mark, APM, or, at the discretion of UKQ, on the basis of your overall profile and performance subject to the minimum requirements. For detailed information, contact us on +9 2336 590 9194 or email at info@icpstudies.com.pk and visit our website www.icpstudies.com.pk.